and gentlemen, good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. And welcome on GNANGSTUDIO for the under this video. You can subscribe on my YouTube channel and get ready. You can also download this ROM. What is this ROM? This is DeluxeROM. This ROM is available, is good, is also for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and the Samsung Galaxy S8 and the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. This same ROM working on the free device. Okay, get ready. On this video, I want to show you how to install this. After this, on the part 2, I want to show you the test review of this ROM. Okay, to install this ROM, you need to access to TWRP on your phone. If you have not installed TWRP on your phone, under this video the link is here to watch the video that I make to show you how to root and install TWRP on your phone with Magic and Magic. Okay, under this video the link is also here. Now, if you are installed TWRP, hold the free touch, busy button, volume up here, and power button in the same time. Hold. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This is TWRP. When you come here, well done. Now, click on whip and advanced whip. 1, 2, 3, 4, and do this. Okay, if it's done, click on home and copy your ROM. This ROM is under this video. If you are done on this ROM, copy this ROM directly on your phone. Okay, this ROM is on my computer. Let me to show you. Okay, beautiful. Is here. Note8 S8 plus S8 DeluxeROM. Okay, open a new folder and get ready to copy this ROM into. Okay, copy into your device in the internal storage. Open and take your ROM and copy here. Pass into. Okay, copy. Now wait for the finishing. Wait, don't disconnect the beautiful USB 3G. Please, your beautiful USB-C. Okay, don't worry, it's normal. Wait for the finishing. Okay, wait. Okay. Almost finished. Okay, wait. After this video, I will make another video to show you another ROM. Okay, after the test review of this ROM. This is a setup review. Okay, it's done. Okay, thank you, welcome. Now get ready, my friend. Disconnect your beautiful USB-C. Okay, lock screen and do this. Okay, now you are ready to install your beautiful ROM. Now come on install. Okay, click on install, and as you see, this ROM is here. Do this and do this to open this ROM and get ready to install this. What the shock, look at this. What the shock. Wow, it's unbelievable. Okay, click on this. After this, look at it. Yeah, wow, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Now next again, after next again, and choose your mobile model number. Have you seen? Is for Samsung Galaxy Note 8 with Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus and with Samsung Galaxy S8. Have you seen? It's good. Click on next, and what I can choose here. Okay, let's this. Click on next. After this, click on Super SU. Okay, to root your phone. Get ready, my friend. Get ready. Now click on next. After this, remove BSB application. Add BSB application. Next, Skype initial setup. Keep initial setup. Okay, Skype initial setup. New stock expansion. New star was expansion. What I can use here? I don't know. Okay, click on next to try. Okay, use stock boot animation. Use Deluxe boot animation. What the shock, what I can use? Okay, let this. Click on next. What else? Use stock image for Note 8. Okay, select this. Okay, what I can install here? Again, application. Okay, YouTube, Gmail. What else? Photo. What else? Okay, install game. Okay, good. Now get ready. Now click on next. Another application, Earth. Okay, beautiful. Music, wonderful. Calendar, email, voice. Okay, voice, not bad. Video, yeah. Internet, not bad. Next, WhatsApp, Netflix, and another. Okay. Click on next, and click on next again, and the selection started. Okay, wait for the finishing. Wait. What the shock? Okay, this is the installation of my first ROM on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. It's unbelievable. I love it. As you see, the progression is here. Wait, my friend. Installation continue. Okay, not bad. Okay, it's normal. Your phone will boot. It's normal. Okay, Samsung appear. What else? Reboot again. Is normal, don't worry. Okay, Samsung again. When you see the LED, the installation continue. When the LED disappear, it's good. Wait again. This is my first ROM on Samsung Galaxy Note 8. All of time, all of fame, all ever, all subscribe right now. Yeah. This is the last ROM at moment. Wow, it's the last ROM. If you like, click on subscribe. After this, I will make the test review of this ROM. This is the installing review. Almost finished. Get ready. Okay. Iniciado Android is Espanol. Get ready. What is this? What? Okay. Let's go. Accept. What is this? Go back. Okay, accepted. Signature. Can I go back? No, you can go back. Okay, no problem. Let's install this application, and after I will change the language. Woo! Welcome. Okay, come on, go on settings, and language, lingua. Okay, so do enter lingua. Indica y entra test para pronunciar. Go back. What is lingua? Let me go to search on the. Okay, thank you. Let's go to search this. Permitir. What else? Notification. What is this? Under. Always on display. Text. Idioma text. Okay. Beautiful. Add something. You can select English here. Go back. Oh, where is English? Okay, click on English. Okay, United States. Okay, do this. Woo! It's in English, my friend. I know Espanol. If you like, click on like. It's so great, unbelievable. Okay, this is a new ROM. What else on this ROM? Let me to show you all of this on the next video, the next part, the test review of this ROM. Get ready, subscribe today, and download this ROM under this video. Lock screen, wonderful. Let's go.